Welcome to my channel, The Stoic Philosophy. Creating a Vision Board.
Creating a vision board is a powerful tool for visualizing and manifesting your goals and dreams. Here are 10 detailed points to consider when creating a vision board. 1. Define your goals and aspirations. Start by reflecting on what you truly want to achieve in various areas of your life, such as career, relationships, health, and personal growth. Write down specific goals and aspirations that resonate with you. This clarity will guide your vision board's content. 2. Gather supplies. Collect materials for your vision board, such as a large poster board, magazines, scissors, glue, markers, and decorative items. You can also create a digital vision board using apps like Canva or Pinterest. Ensure you have a space that inspires you and where you can work comfortably. 3. Choose images and words. Look for images, quotes, and words that represent your goals and dreams. Cut them out from magazines or print them from online sources. Choose visuals that evoke positive emotions and resonate with your aspirations, as they will serve as constant reminders of what you're working toward. 4. Organize your layout. Before gluing anything down, arrange your cutouts on the board to find a layout that feels right. You might group items by category, e.g., health, career, relationships, or create a more free-form design. Ensure the layout flows well and feels aesthetically pleasing. 5. Incorporate affirmations. Include positive affirmations or mantras on your vision board. These statements should be in the present tense and reflect your goals as if they have already been achieved. For example, I am living my dream life, or I attract abundance effortlessly. This helps to reinforce a positive mindset. 6. Add personal touches. Customize your vision board by incorporating personal items that hold meaning for you, such as photos, postcards, or mementos. This personalization makes the board more relatable and inspiring, creating a stronger connection to your goals. 7. Choose a placement. Once your vision board is complete, place it somewhere you will see it daily, such as your bedroom, office, or workspace. This constant visibility helps reinforce your goals and keep you motivated. The more you see it, the more you'll internalize your aspirations. 8. Engage with your vision board. Regularly interact with your vision board. Take a few minutes each day to visualize yourself achieving your goals as you look at the images and words. This practice enhances focus and motivation, making it easier to stay on track. 9. Review and update regularly. Your goals and aspirations may evolve over time, so it's essential to review and update your vision board periodically. Remove items that no longer resonate with you, and replace them with new goals or images that reflect your current vision. 10. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge and celebrate the milestones you achieve along the way. Reflect on how far you've come and recognize the steps you've taken toward your goals. This positive reinforcement boosts your confidence and encourages you to keep pursuing your dreams. By following these points, you can create a vision board that serves as a powerful visual reminder of your goals and inspires you to take action toward achieving them.
Like and subscribe for more informative videos.